This Canon 1DS with 11.1 megapixels full frame was Canon's first full frame DSLR from 2002. Let's look at some photographs it takes here at beautiful Snug Harbor Botanical Gardens in New York City. And then we'll come back and discuss all of the specifications. Hello guys, welcome back. Carmine from New York here with the Canon 1DS. Before we start, hit the like button, thumbs up, comment below. Now what I want you to comment is, where are you watching this video from? What country are you in? And also, of course, subscribe and become a member of this channel. The link is in the description. Membership is 99 cents. All right, guys, so this was an $8,000 camera when it came out in 2002. The price of a brand new Hyundai Accent L hatchback. The camera was $8,000 and the new car was $8,000 in 2002. This is an all-metal heavy beast.
What can you say when love goes away that hasn't been said before? I have no rhyme that's different this time. There's no words to sing anymore. I haven't a clue.
It weighs pounds and pounds. It's just very heavy. But professionals who in 2002 were still shooting film for weddings, sports, photojournalism, Canon had those people, those photographers in their sights. Canon wanted to make those film photographers who make a living shooting film to switch to full frame digital camera. There are several models. This is the original Mark I. There's a Mark II. There's a Mark III. This is the original. Why are people still buying this camera at the used price of $300 in working condition? Because simply the Canon colors. Here's a few things that you may not know about the Canon 1DS. It's weather sealed. There are over 90 rubber gaskets around each button on this camera. it shoots 3 frames per second. That was a lot in 2002. Now, I'm going to give you a hint. Use the lowest ISO you can. Today, all these photographs were shot at ISO 100, f8, aperture priority. Now, it does not do well in low light conditions, all right? But guess what? There's something called a flash that you can put on the hot shoe. Don't let people discourage you from buying this classic collectible full frame camera by saying it's not good in low light. Put a flash on it. That will correct it. Now, it does use Canon EF lenses. It has one CF card slot. Now, about CF cards. You can't just use any old CF card. Use the old school ones, the 1 gigabyte, the 2 gigabyte cards.
When my days end, I might just fall in love. I know the DJ and I love this song. Me and you and the night feel so young. Every single moment has led up to this one. Whoa, did the stars align? Whoa, maybe it's a sign we should do tonight again.
Right, so in 2002, DP Review gave this Canon 1DS a highly recommended score. It takes a battery known as the NPE3. Now, they're nickel metal hydride. They're not lithium. The NPE3 batteries sell brand new on Amazon, still available. They're $30 each. But here's my biggest tip of the day for the Canon EOS 1DS. It's all about the charger. The Canon NCE2. They alone go for $120 used on eBay. This is how you get it. When you buy a camera, when you buy this camera, the 1DS, make sure it comes with the charger. The battery is not important because the battery is going to be dead anyway that they send you because it's a nickel metal hydride. Make sure you get the Canon camera with the Canon charger, the NCE2. Have a great day and subscribe already.